One of the most serious issues today is climate change, which poses grave danger to the viability and wellness of our world. The effects of climate change are becoming apparent and concerning with every year that goes by.
Due to human activity, the planet's climate is changing enormously, and as its citizens, this world, we need to put an end to this catastrophe to help save our home to restore it for our future generations.
Climate change results from greenhouse gases emissions from the production, transportation, and disposal of food waste among other food system operations.
Did you know that the food that you consume contributes to the climate crisis? Food is linked to around a third of all emissions of greenhouse gases produced by humans. This is why we encourage our viewers to start the change with themselves by living a sustainable lifestyle and only taking or consuming what we need.
The most significant contributor of emissions among them is livestock and agriculture, which is responsible for 14.5% of all greenhouse gas emissions caused by human activity globally. Ruminant meat from cattle and goats emits the most emissions. These animals emit methane from the process of digestion called enteric fermentation from the grasses and plants they digest.
We must advocate for wellness and participate in the movements that improve the planet's health, as it is still in poor condition due to the negative consequences of climate change.
Being accountable for our actions and consumption that may have an impact on the health of the earth is something we, the inhabitants, must do. This includes being responsible for the food that we eat and how we properly throw them away or how we manage our waste.
Specifically in being conscious about the food we eat and the amount we are wasting. This is because the more we waste food, the more we waste water and energy. Also, once this wasted food starts to rot, it produces methane, one of the biggest contributors to greenhouse gas emissions.
Climate change devastating effects compromise the world's food resources. Food cultivation remains as an essential component of the current issue. Having a sustainable environment is the main goal to raise awareness among the communities that could help sustain a green life for the younger generation.
In order to combat climate change, we must help to reduce water pollution and environmental damage, as well as restore areas to agricultural land or forests. It is crucial to address what we consume and how it is produced. With that being said, let's pay attention to how we consume our food and how we can minimize the waste we incur. Let's restore and help our planet by starting small and starting now. Hashtag generation.
Hashtag generation.
Hashtag generation.
Hashtag Generation
Generation restoration.